Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Going to be doing an unboxing, but it's not yarn related. Okay, you buy so much yarn and then you don't know where to put them. So what I did is I went to Aliexpress and I ordered a couple of items. But when I opened the package, I said, "Well, my goodness, they shipped everything in one pack." So I went to my online AliExpress. So I have one, two, three, four. Oopsie. Let me see again. One, two, three, four, five, six. So I ordered six, and I'm just gonna six. I'm just double checking. March the 31st. Yeah. So one, two, three, four, five, six. Okay, so I'm gonna open these. I'm just gonna count again. So here's one package. Two, three, four, so there's five. I'm just gonna recount again. Okay, so I ordered six, and there's five packages here. I don't know if they put it inside each other, so okay, I think I know what this is. This is a, when you wash your veggies. And I don't see these here locally, so I think only AliExpress sells these. And I re-keep these because they're bubble, right? When I pack my items. Oh, it's so tiny. Actually, my husband was telling me to buy one of these. See? To drain it, to drain. Let's say you're washing rice and you want to drain it. But I keep my rice water when it's pure white. I give them on my plants, and it helps because it has starch in it, right? Okay, so I'm not going to bother opening this. I know what it is. It has a handle, and I paid $4 free shipping. And so this was one of them. Okay, let's open this tiny one. I think these are those rubbery ones. Yeah, I think that's what they are. These came out, I believe, in 2015, usually blue. I saw them at markets. Yeah, this is what it is. So what you do is you put it on your containers, and then, oh, can't find the opening. I just wanted to show you. Maybe you have it in your kitchen, maybe you don't. But I needed one of these because I'm getting tired of putting Saran tape on my containers. Here's one. I'm gonna sanitize these and then I will use them. And then these gets bigger, I guess. That's what it shows on the videos. Okay, so they're elasticity. They stretch. So I don't know. I haven't used it. So I don't know how these can be. I hope they're good. So for this one, I paid $4.31. And I believe there are, how many in there? 6 pieces. Yeah, this would be great for my containers. I'm planning to do fabric beeswax on some of my items. That's another thing I want to work on. That's in my mind, on my do list. But I will sanitize these and I will use them. So let's move to the next package. Okay, here is another one I'm going to open. Yeah, one of the packages missing. Maybe it's gonna come Monday in a different. But I like this, Okay, here it is. It's it's pretty big. Oh, I thought it had a handle. Okay, this one, oh, so I bought one of them, the biggest one. Okay, the handle one is different. Okay, this one is like a cosmetic bag, it says, but I wanted to put my my stuff in it, like this, my yarn, so I can see what's in it. And this is only like $1.51. Yeah, this is really nice. And then I can put my, I'm planning to knit a hat with the leftover yarn. So I can put these in here and they would be all together. Yeah. I did finish the sweater that I knit this beautiful yarn with. It turned out fantastic. I'm thrilled how it turned out. So yeah, here is, oh, the other one is missing. The $6 one that I paid. That was the expensive one. Oh well, we'll wait. Okay, so this is the $2 one. I'm planning to even sew, but it's not worth it. $2? Come on, right? Yeah, and it's pretty strong. Look at it. It has a nice zipper. It's not even worth sitting on my sewing machine because I have so many of these vinyls in my, I put them on my tables and I freshen them up with new ones once in a while. But I think I have over 20 years old ones that I can, you know, clean it and then sew it up like this. But is it worth it? I don't know. That's another thing, right? $2 for this? It's not worth it. Yeah, so this is what I bought for. Okay, let's carry on to this one. Okay, these are the big, what you call these? They don't even have names on them. Quilt storages, I guess. That's what they're called. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just... That's good that they put it, because these bags are so bad quality. I know it's yarn, it's not yarn related, but oh, this is nice. Oh, look at this. So I bought two. Okay, here are the measurements. They're in the centimeter. So I can put yarn. This is this, oh, this is the gray one. One gray, one blue. And let's open and see it. Yeah, and I reuse these bags, but this one has a measurement, so I don't think I can use that. Oh, this is nice. Look how big it is. It has a zipper. And this one, oh, this one I paid for the total $13.27. It's not that cheap. So, oh, see? Oh, this is the reason I bought. So, but this isn't good quality compared to the bag that I just shared with you. Okay, this isn't good. Okay, why is this happening? Ah, okay, the other end zipper is here. I can fill, but this isn't good quality. This can rip easily, you know what I mean? But who knows, right? I can fill yarn. I can fill yarn in here. And let's do that. Okay, so there's lots of room in here. You know how big these cakes are. They're the Caron Blossom cakes. So these are pretty big. So I fit in 3 and then plus that. And I can put more in here. This is fantastic. Well, the reason I bought these is I can put yarn in and I can store them instead of buying those huge plastic containers that I can't carry. You know, these aren't that big, but you know, I can add these into the, definitely, and I can add more because the height is pretty high. Oh, I love this, really love it. Oh, and then the zipper just and the zipper is nice. And I can see from here what's inside. Oh, this is really nice. Oh yeah, definitely. If you want, I can put the link, so please leave a comment so I can leave the link if you want. So these are the blue and gray. I paid both of them. I paid $13.27. Okay, so let's carry on to this one. So this one is this one must be the, again, I bought two, I believe. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just opening this. It's really thin. I have to be careful. See, I don't want to cut anything. Okay. Oh, that's the fabric. These don't have measurements, so let me just check to the link. Okay, the link, I'm just clicking it so I can give you an idea. One is peach. Oh, I clicked the wrong. One is peach and one is turquoise. Well, it's yeah, this is the true color, as you can see. Okay, so I don't remember which size I ordered. Let's check the order detail. And let me just open these. Okay, it says that these are 70 liter. There's no measurements, unfortunately. Yeah, these don't have, they're the same price what I paid for the other one. $13.58. The other one was cheaper, actually, $13.27. Okay, I'm just going to okay, here are the, okay, these are, maybe the zippers are better quality, I don't know. So 70 liter. It's not bad. Oh, these are bigger. Well, these, I can fit a lot of yarn in here. Just checking, but the height isn't the same as the other one. Yeah. So this, you know, I put my yarn in here and it would be nice and clean. In Turkish, these are called hurç. Hurç. And I ordered handmade and they were like very expensive. Yeah, let me just put something in here. What can I put? I'm just gonna grab some stuff from here. Finished items I can put so you know, it won't get dusty. Just wanted to show you, but it's gonna take me a while to fill this. Just need to get up from where I'm sitting, and but I like the other one. It's sitting nice. Let me just grab some stuff from here. Okay, I got up and I tried to fill, and I put a lot of stuff in here. So I put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 towels, and there's still a lot of room. See? Oh, this, oh, I found hair. I found hair. So I can put a lot of yarn in here. Think about it. You know, just put one of my cakes there. Oh, this is gonna grab lots of yarn. So I'm really happy with my buy. Oh, let me just grab that ugly hair. I don't like hair. That's not my hair. I just opened this. Oh, it's stuck there. Would I definitely go and buy it? I don't know. I've been lately hanging out with Temu. And so I'm going to open this bag. Temu? I think that's what's it called. Yeah. So this is, I think they're doing a competition between these two people. So that's the reason this this package arrived fast. But still, one of my package didn't arrive. So I don't know when that one is coming. And I'm hoping that it will arrive soon. So I'm going to be opening this one, and I don't know what's in it. I did buy yarn though, so stay tuned for that. These packages come from Aliexpress, and it did arrive super fast. So from the Aliexpress, I purchased them on March the 31st, and today is April the 14th, so 2 weeks. That's not bad at all. But this one arrived super fast, so stay tuned for this video I'm going to take. And I can't remember what I bought. I just, like I said, one of the packages missing, and that was a like a Notion bag as well. And but that one was a little bit more expensive. So I hope that one arrives. I paid $6.01 for that one, and that one did not arrive. So I hope you like this video. I just had to share it, and I wanted to show you. See, I did tutorials on these, and I just put them in. This is what I had in my basket. I haven't emptied my last month's finished items basket. So what I'll do is I will, I think this is from this month. I can't remember. Oh, geez. You have to check. I don't want them to get confused with the last month and this month. Anyways, so I will fill these bags, and I will store them. At least it won't be dust related, right? So I hope you like this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe, share it with your family and friends, and don't forget to hit that notification button, so every time I post a new video, you will be notified, indicating there's something new for you to watch. Oh, this is nice. You guys take care. And it has a handle. Oh, bye-bye.